If you need to factory reset your Galaxy Watch 8, whether for a fresh startup or to fix an issue, you can do it from the app or directly on your watch. There are 3 different methods available, including the reset from the app, directly from the watch, and a master reset from recovery mode. So let's say you want to start fresh and your watch is connected to the Galaxy Wearable app. Open the app, go to the watch settings, scroll down to General, scroll down and you'll get the reset option. Tap on it. You can reset it from here. Also, from your watch, if you go to Settings, from that to General, to reset, scroll down and you can reset your watch from here as well. But what if you can't access your watch settings from itself or not even from the app? In that case, you got a master reset from your watch from the recovery mode. Make sure your watch is turned on, and so press and hold both the power and side buttons. Keep holding it down till they show Samsung logo. Release the buttons and quick press twice over the power button, and then you'll end up in the service menu. Use your backup button to go down to recovery. Select it by press and hold the power button. You'll end up in the recovery section, and with the back button, go down to the Wipe Data Factory Reset and select it. Before you go, remember, if you're resetting it because you forgot your PIN, then the activation block will require Google account credentials to set up that watch again. Without them, you won't be able to complete the setup. And if you are okay with that, go down to Factory Reset and then press and hold the power button to confirm it. This will reset your watch and return to the recovery menu, and just select the reboot system now. Press and hold down the power key to select the option, and your watch will restart to setup mode. And these are the ways to hard reset your Galaxy Watch 8. Thanks for watching.